Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 100 high quality TIFF geometric polygon backgrounds with different color sizes 3000 equal to 2000 and high definition 7.3 MB file. Here is 7.3. all files are 17.3 MB. okay, that's mean high quality, so you can use anywhere. You can change color, or you can make a background, or make a app background or banner background. Okay, for example, drag this one, Control U, okay, and write anything. 100 TIFF files. Or make you more better, I know. Size is 3000 x 2000. Remove it, depend your own choice, you can make more better. And these files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime access. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.